everybody, it's Jeff with Jeff's Jet Boat, and today we are going to go over how to lock in your clean out plugs, how to store your clean out plugs, and how to tell when your clean out plugs need to be rebuilt. Stay tuned. So number one, how to make sure you get these things locked in. I know there's products out there like Easy Locks, not that they're bad or anything, but if you just do two simple steps, you'll know that they're down there. So first thing we do, drop it down in there, push the lock down, and then what I do is I will yank up on this thing hard 3 times. And it's not budging, it's not budging. Alrighty, so number 2 is how I store my plugs. So what I do is when I'm done boating, boat's on the trailer, slip, whatever, it can be in the water, it doesn't really matter. Pull my clean up plug out, I push my locks, I let it sit right there and just drip dry, and that's it. I mean, you can let them sit like that, doesn't matter. And that's what I do. I let them sit there and dry. Alrighty, now third thing, how to tell when these things need to be rebuilt. I don't know if you could tell earlier, this thing, it just slid down in there. That's it. This one right here of mine, I need to rebuild it. What has happened is the seal has expanded. It's a pain in the butt to get it to go in. I'll show you. So what I have to do here is I have to kind of just fiddle with it to get it to slide in there. There we go. To get it to slide in there just right. And that's when people have blowouts, because their plugs don't seat all the way in because they're a pain in the butt to seat in. So it starts doing that, you just need to replace it. It's like, what, $50 for a kit? It's nothing. It'll last 5 years. The next thing is I don't put anything on my clean out plugs. I just let them drip dry. I don't use silicone. I don't use WD-40. I'll be honest, I think that stuff might cause them to go bad. I just don't. And they last a long time. Now, I don't know about salt water. Maybe in salt water you should do something, but this is for fresh water is what we're talking here. And one last thing too, if you're ever buying one of these boats, buying it from a dealer or private seller, and they got the clean out plugs in, make them take it out. And if they can't take it out, there's a little negotiating right there. When we bought our boat years ago, we asked the dealer, like, hey, all we want you to do is pull that clean out plug just to make sure they're released. And they fought it the whole way. And luckily I've never had to deal with that. So that's just another little bit of advice. And I believe that's it. So thank you for watching my channel. Everybody have a good day. See ya.